Hey, what's up, guys? It's George, and in this video, I want to give you some quick and powerful tips for growing a medical commodities business, flipping diabetic test strips. And so, something that I get asked sometimes from people I'm coaching is that they want to know, how far would you drive, just to pick up one box, or would you be willing to drive to, somebody just to get, just one box, you're only going to make like $20 profit on, and people wonder, would you do a deal if you're only going to get one box and things like that. And so this is what I want to say about that. In the beginning, if you're new into this business and you're just starting out in this industry, take what you can get. Take every single opportunity you can get to make a transaction, even if you got to drive, and even if you really won't even be making any money, just breaking even or whatever. And the reason why I say that is because it's experience. And in the beginning, just be focused on gaining the experience. And you'll get the experience rather quickly. But in my opinion, in the beginning, just go after getting the experience. Take don't just chase the dollar sign in the beginning. See the first month as like an internship where you're just kind of figuring it out, and yeah, sure, you can absolutely make some very good profit in the very first month, but most businesses don't start making profit for like a year or two. So, I know a lot of people are getting into this already working full-time jobs or have other businesses or careers or whatever, and they're doing this part-time. So, see the beginning as just, just as an internship, just gaining the experience, and it's like an internship with a compensation plan attached, because most likely you will still make some profit, but get out there, just start making transactions happening. That way you're learning the process. And also another thing that I want to say on that is that in the beginning, I just picked up from a customer just one box, just one test strip, and I've been in this business for a while now, and so I don't need to do that. But it's interesting because right when I got this box, what they said is that tomorrow they're gonna be hitting me up some more with some more boxes. They said that their best friend is getting their prescription, and they'll be giving me a call tomorrow. So this was a new customer. And I actually routed this with some other appointments, so it wasn't really a big deal. But even though this is just one box, I went to them and got actually it was like 20 miles away, but like I said, I had some other appointments, so it wasn't really an inconvenience because I routed it with my other appointments. But especially when it's a first deal with the customer, I'm not worried about making $1 zillion on the first deal. I just want to build the relationship, and then I know once they know and like me, and it's an easy, simple experience for them, then they'll be back to me again and again. I'm hoping to win them as a long-term customer. So don't be just so obsessed with making $1 zillion on the first deal. See this as an opportunity to be the beginning of a long relationship, because a lot of these people get these boxes on a regular basis, and that can be your best forms of marketing for you and spreading the word for you. So what I want to say on that is that a couple things. If you're in the beginning, yes, take every day you can get just to get the experience and to learn the ins and outs of the business. Number two, if it's a first-time customer, then sure, you can go a little bit out of your way to, just to get him as a customer, because this could be somebody you're getting business from for years. And then also, just see if you can route it with some of your other appointments, so that way it's not an inconvenience for you. If it's just like one box, a lot of times I'll be like, all right, I'll look at my calendar and I'll be like, all right, I see I have an appointment in your area, on Wednesday. I could get by Wednesday at 1 o'clock. How's that for you? A lot of times, because it's only one box, it's not like they can be too competitive, because not a lot of people are going to be willing to drive to someone for one box, so they kind of know that, they have to wait for you, especially if they don't have a car or something. So just route it with some of your other appointments, so that way it's not even an inconvenience for you. And boom, gain some experience, make some money, and maybe even secure a new long-term repeat customer. All right, guys, keep flipping them strips. If you want to learn how to build a serious business with this, make money, then contact me. Apply for a link in the link in the description of this video, there'll be a link where you can apply for coaching one-on-one. Many of the people that I've helped coach, are now doing this business full-time, part-time, even just as few as a couple of months, making excellent income with it, even full-time income just after a couple of months. So apply for coaching with me, and or check the description of the video for a link to purchase the course to learn the ins and outs of this business. All right, guys, till next time, have a great day. See ya.